Hello guys, if you're new here, you're watching House of Love with no other person else but Bianca Love Emma. In this house, we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So if you feel like you want to belong to this family, you can just go ahead and click on the red subscription button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make koki corn with fresh corn cultivated here in China. Okay guys, for the ingredients we have spinach as vegetables, but in Cameroon we mostly use but cocoyam leaves. We have a fresh corn and some pepper. We have a cornstarch. Okay, now the reason I'm using this cornstarch is because the fresh corn here in China is very watery. Trust me, if you don't add this cornstarch to your cookie corn is going to come out very watery. Of course, we have a palm oil. So I'm just going to blend the fresh corn with the pepper together with the pepper. Okay guys, so I'm done with the blending. So here it is, corn, my fresh corn and my pepper that I blended. I'm going to add my cornstarch to it. I stir and then I add some Maggi and some salt to my taste. I give it a stir. To taste to check if it's okay. But I think I needed a little salt and a little Maggi as well. So I'm going to add my palm oil and stir to get a good mixture. After that, I have to add my vegetables. I stir. I make sure I have enough vegetables. You know, vegetables are good. I stir and I taste and everything is okay. So now I'm going to use aluminum foil and baking paper to tie my cookie corn. But back in Cameroon, what we use is plantain leaves or banana leaves. So because I can't get those leaves here or they are too expensive, they are very expensive. That's why I decided to use this aluminum foil and baking paper to tie. So I put in my aluminum paper in a small bowl and I add my baking paper and then I add about 2 cooking spoons of my mixture and now I tie. So that's it. That's how it looks like. It doesn't look so well, but what matters is the taste and not the look. Okay, so now I'm going to cover the pot, add some water, and cover the pot to cook for about 1 hour. But I'm going to be checking the pot from time to time to make sure the water doesn't get dry. So as I notice that the water is almost getting dry, I had to add in another water. on the is 1 hour. So at this stage, I think my coffee corn is ready, and I'm going to put it now in the oven for it to get dried, or just bake a little. Yeah, it's this one is optional. You can just decide to eat it like this, because back home, what my mom usually does is that after this, she just place it by the fireside and allow it to do its thing there. So that's it, guys. After baking for about, let me say, 15 minutes, the thing is ready. Now let's have a look. Oh my god. Look, trust me, this corn in particular is very sweet. So just imagine fresh corn which is sweet with koki corn. Oh my god. The taste is divine. God, trust me, this koki corn is so delicious. My god, take a look at it. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Wow, god. Now, guys, look at that koki corn. Oh my god. Wow. Chai! Koki corn go sweet so. My god. Oh my god, this is so delicious, guys. Trust me. This is something that you need to try, especially those who are in China. I know some of you have been wondering why you usually prepare koki corn, we're using fresh corn here, but it doesn't usually come out well. So just follow this my procedure. Try to add cornstarch to it, and trust me, it's going to be divine. Okay, guys, so that's it about this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.